it's time for a break. And I have some good news for you. We are more than halfway through Arabic letters, but do we really need such a lesson? Let's guess. We have in the break lesson quizzes, many vocabularies, as well as the names of the Arabic letters. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Welcome. I am Abdurrahman, and behind the camera, my wife Ala, the Arabic teacher, and you're watching Arabic. From the first lesson, we are referring to the letters as their sounds, like ja, kha, ba. But recently in the sixth lesson, we started referring to the letters by their names. Let's take a look at the letters of the last two lessons, the fifth and the sixth. In the sixth lesson, we studied these letters. Look at the letters on left side. All of them are pronounced as a, and all have the name Hamza, as we mentioned in the lesson 6. Also, we mentioned the name of this letter, which is ta marbuta, and that mark, which is shadda, and that letter alif mamduda. We have also the letters from the lesson 5. Ja, ha, kha, ha, which names are Jim, ha, kha, ha. Let's make a quick listening quiz. You will see some letters, then you will hear a sound. Try to match the sound with the appropriate letter. Then you will hear the name of the letter. Ha, 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 kha, 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 ja, ja, jim, ha, 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 a, hamza, a, alif mamduda. Now let's distinguish between the two letters, ta marbuta and ha. In this quiz you will see 4 words. Some of them contains ta marbuta and some contains ha. The question is, which word contains ta marbuta or ha, separate or cursive? So are you ready for quiz? Let's go. Which word contains ta marbuta cursive? خيمة. ها separate. مياه. تاء مربوطة separate. وردة. ها cursive. وجه. Let's now go to the vocabulary section. We have here these vocabularies from lesson 5 and 6. Let's take a closer look. خبز من مخبز. خبز من مخبز. You may remember this. It is bread from a bakery. Bread from a bakery. And see this. هي مها. هي مها. She is Maha. She is Maha. And you may remember Ab, Akh, which are father, mother, and brother. We have here some new vocabularies which are not studied yet. So let's learn the new words one by one. أخت, أخت, sister. ابنة, ابنة, daughter. Ibn, Ibn, son. Don't worry about the pronunciation of the last words. We will be more familiar with them by time. Let's gather the vocabularies of the family members together. Ab, Ibn, Ibna, And here we have sister and brother. أخ وأخت. أخ أخت. We can find in the family love and fun. Do you agree with me? مرح وحب. مرح حب. We are trying to create a link between the Arabic vocabulary so you can save them easily. Let's now go to the seashore. There is much water there, right? The water in English is uncountable, so there is no single or plural, while in Arabic there are two words referring to the water, ma and miyah, single and plural. But mostly as an Arabic speaker, you will be understood for sure if you used any of these two words. To complete our review of the vocabularies, we need 3 listening quizzes. First, you will see the words on the screen. Then you will hear a sound. Listen carefully and select the appropriate word. Let's start with the first one. خيمة. 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 هي. 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 خبز. 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 من. مخبز. And here is another quiz. أب. أم. أخ. أخت. ابن. ابنة. And this is the last quiz. حب. مرح. مياه. ماء. That's it for today. If you found this video useful, please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel to get notified of any new video. Visit our Facebook channel and let's share the ideas about learning Arabic. Thank you for watching the video to the end. See you in the next lesson.